Hello, welcome to the House of R. This is a 5-car Hot Wheels unboxing. And today we got a varied selection of Ford. Got the 1940 Ranger Raptor there, HKS. Cool. Got the Ford GT40 there. Got the Ford Mustang GT concept. Guess the sheriff office got the Ford first. The 65 Mustang 2x2 fastback. And this one I've been waiting for, Ford Escort RS 2000 in lime green. Alright, let's get on a spinning table, open them up and have a close look. Alright, let's start off with the Ford Mustang GT concept from Hot Wheels City. I think this was a 2015 model. I had it for a while, but time to open it. Start with the old one. That was easy. Look at that. Black color, tan interior. I really like the red in the rims there. And they got Sheriff on the back, Sheriff on the sides, and of course the Hot Wheels logo. And they got a Sheriff star on the hood, and the number 64. Oh, big Sheriff department, 64 cars. Alright, next one up, 65 Mustang 2x2 fastback. Goes right this time. And that's a Muscle Mania. See the price there? That's $4. Pricey. Norway is an expensive country. Even our Hot Wheels. $3 is about the cheapest we get. There it is. The 2x2 fastback. In green, white stripes, black interior. It's got pretty normal rims, suitable for this car. Got the Hot Wheels logo on the back there. And that is cool. I might have one or two of these in my collection. Right, let's look at the Ford GT40 factory fresh. Last year model. There you go, in white, black graphics on number 8. Some ears there on number 8. But, headlights are painted on. That is a cool Ford. I really like it. A little silver in the rims there. Cool. Alright. The HKS 19 Ford Ranger Raptor. Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. It's a newer model. There's a new battery in my spinning wheel there. And look at that. Beautiful black outside, black interior. HKS graphics. The hood, and I really like the blue in the rims there. It pops. That is beautiful. A lot of cool Fords in this unboxing. Alright, next up, Ford Escort RS 2000, and that is factory fresh. And there it is, popular model, especially here in Norway. See this sell on the Facebook pages all the time. It's a beautiful lime green color. New color on Hot Wheels. I don't think I have one in this color. So regular rims, suitable for the car. But headlights in the plastic. That's cool. Now this one was beautiful. And in the back we got lights are looks like painted on the plastic, yeah, black plastic. That was at least 3 of my favorite cars so far. So I am going to photoshoot this into my garage so you can have a closer look, play some music, and I'm gonna spin them 1 time each right after the picture show. So please, if you haven't, subscribe, put a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit the notification bell so you get a warning each time I open some Ford. And I see you later.
You sound like love, you sound like heart, you sound like something I ain't ever given up. Sound like a song that you can't stop, but once you start, too much of you can never, never be enough. Oh, you got me wrapped around your finger. Why don't we let this feeling linger? You got me, you got me, you got me, visions in my head spin round and round in circles, getting lost this time I didn't know how bad it hurt. Now I go put up the door, the others on the pavement hit the ground. You got me running just to keep me waiting. You got me wrapped around your finger. Why don't we let this feeling linger? You got me wrapped around your finger. Why don't we let this feeling linger? You got me, 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 visions in my head spin round and round in circles, getting lost this time I didn't know how bad it hurt. Now I go one foot at the door, the others on the pavement at the ground. You got me running just to keep me waiting. We know what we're made of. Can I have your attention, please? We may be small, but we are not weak. We are more than the kids you see, more than the kids you see. Yeah, we know that the world's in pain, and everyone's on a different page. You should hear what we have to say, instead of saying we should act our age. We know what we're made of. No matter if the world tries to change us, it matters what we say, though we are young. We know what we're made of, what we're made of. Yeah, we know that the world's in pain, and everyone's on a different page. We should hear what we have to say, instead of saying we should act our age. We know what we're made of. No matter if the world tries to change us,